Hi, everybody. Welcome to Newark, New Jersey. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. We know they don't like each other on the ice, but it's kind of spilled over into social media this week, too.
Yeah, we've been reading about it as guys on social media are barking at each other. There's nobody liking the comments of the other guy. So I think we're in for a fun night here.
Let's go. Yeah, you can just feel the buzz in this city all day long, and we are seconds away now from this opening faceoff. The Hurricanes take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Taken by Burns. The Devils have it now. Heischer's picking up steam. Moves the puck along the half wall. Sends the pass over. The puck goes out of play, and we'll get a face-off on the heels of that save.
Aho's third-eye zone ability is his incredible passing skills and his knack for completing difficult plays to set up his teammates. Hamilton's great at getting on target from a distance. He's got that heat-seeker zone ability, which means he can really wire those long-range wristers. I'm expecting one of these two players to give their team the edge tonight, guys. Back to you.
Carolina's got it in their own zone. Great pressure with the stick. Looks to get the puck over to Teravainen. The Devils, and here comes the pushback.
Graves shakes his head and declines this challenge. He's not interested.
Can't get it to go. Quick pass to Svechnikov. Moves the puck. Sends a pass over. Moves the puck across to Teravainen. And he's going after him here.
Graves is looking for somebody to engage in a fight with. He can't find the right guy. Well, he's just slowly working his way to the bench, James, where the training staff's going to look at him.
He scores! Thomas Tatar!
On and off his stick and placed perfectly inside the post, low on the stick side.
The Devils were preaching good start. Mission accomplished here, Ray.
Teams always talk about getting the upper hand in a game as quickly as they can. Now you can play from in front.
Puck picked up by Slavin. The Devils gain possession in their own end. Can't connect on the pass. The Hurricanes going to work on offense. Denied by the goaltender. The Devils take it across the line. Takes a shot. Rejected by the blocker. The Devils get a hold of the puck along the boards. Here's a shot. Oh, breaks it off the outside of the iron. Thought he had the corner, but clearly not.
The Devils quickly started to look at the tablets on the bench to see if that puck hit the post and went in or crossed the line. It didn't, and the lead will remain the same.
Wrist shot from the slot. Scores! That's two unanswered now.
No, they stayed right on it. Once they got that first one, they just pushed the pace of this. Now they get another. He kept moving in that high slot, looking for an area that might be open. Then the puck's on and off his stick. Nice shot.
New Jersey's found themselves in the driver's seat now with a 2-goal lead. Nice offensive start.
Really good start, really quick. Now you've got the other team scrambling around, but there's too much time left in the game to sit back and try to defend it. Be aggressive.
Siegenthaler's got the puck along the wing. Here's a chance. Blocked in traffic. Through center along the wing. Takes a shot. The Devils gain possession along the wall. Gaining momentum along the wing. Here he is, wristed on net. Oh, a clutch save. There's another for the hit parade. Hammers a shot. Oh, what a stop. Slides it across to Stahl. Moves it to Kasha. Rings the bell off the post.
The Hurricanes' luck stays poor. This shot hits the pipe and doesn't bounce in for them. They still trail in the game.
And tries to make a diagonal pass to Stastny. The Hurricanes move the puck in the defensive zone. Dishes it to Svechnikov. Just wide. And with the sound of the horn, that means the conclusion of period number 1. New Jersey's practicing what they were preaching before this one. They wanted to get off to a good start. They were saying at the morning skate, they do just that, leading 2-0. As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
The Hurricanes are going to have to find a possession game that looks a lot different than that first period. They chased it around, and as a result, they're chasing the game.
Let's it go! Oh, he keeps it out with a great reactionary stop with the toe. Gains the zone from the right. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. Blast from the blue line. Save made by the goalie.
So good. A couple of quick stops keep the puck out.
Grabbed along the boards by Graves. Boquist carrying it ahead. Shot. Scores! And they are on a roll now, Razor.
You can start to see this game's going to run away if the goal scoring doesn't slow down here. He drops into the butterfly to try and take away as much of the net as he can, but the shooter's got enough time to find some room. He sees it, and he doesn't miss.
The Devils are now trending towards a blowout here the way they're playing tonight.
James, it's been this way most of the night. They've had the puck most of the time. Now they're up a 3 spot. They're pretty comfortable in this game.
Taken by Bratton. Moves it quickly over to Aho. Turned aside with a glove by Vanacek.
Vanacek's had a relatively easy night. He hasn't faced many shots, and they've got a nice, comfortable lead.
From center, they get into the attacking area. Denies them on the play. Scores! They came, they saw, they took advantage of the rebound and score.
The rebound snapped away. What a nice shot. But the goalie's got to do a better job cleaning up that rebound. You can't leave it right there.
The Devils seem to be on the cusp of turning this one into a rout, Ray.
They're playing at a different level than their opponents. It doesn't look like there's anything that can slow them down.
New Jersey's got it into the offensive zone. And that's blocked. Oh, and they can't keep the puck in the zone. They'll be forced to tag up.
Slavin's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. New Jersey's now up by 4. The Devils get a hold of the puck off the draw. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop.
He was telling me this morning he worked on this in practice this week, making sure the puck goes to the corner and doesn't stay in the net.
More than half the period has expired. New Jersey's been the better team, and the scoreboard reflects it. They lead it 4-0. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. The Hurricanes have it now. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Here he is in front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play.
Stahl's plate is getting a little fuller by the moment here. As the captain of this team, he's got to be the one to rally them. He's got to be the one to show them a way out of this mess they're in.
Quick feed to Kasha. Let's Lets it go from the slot. Denies him.
Vanacek's had to be on his game. That's a great chance.
And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. And now he angles it across to Kasha. New Jersey's got the puck along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Hamilton. And he easily stops that one. Puts it to the front of the net. And now it's grabbed by Slavin. Carolina's on the attack. Here's a short pass to Kasha. Turn that one aside. Gains the zone through center. Takes a wrist shot. Shuts it down with the paddle. What a stop. And no luck on that pass attempt. And that one's turned away. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain.
A little disappointing for the shooter here. You take what you think is a pretty good shot, and the goalie kind of easily sticks it aside. Doesn't feel very good.
Late goings of this period. New Jersey's fans are loving every minute of this one as they lead 4-0. He got hammered.
Yeah, did he ever. Now he's got to go pick up his stick. Pretty tough to play the rest of the game without one of those.
And too much traffic in front blocks that one.
Paulo's back in the play after getting a new stick at the bench.
The Hurricanes scoop it up along the boards. Swing and a miss. Well, the ice has sure looked tilted after 40 minutes of play as the second period comes to an end.
Please don't throw any objects on or towards the playing surface at any time during the game. The throwing of any object is grounds for immediate removal from this building.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. Third period action. Are you ready? I'm ready. Ray's ready. The players are ready. Let's go. Here we go. Third period set to get underway. Simply too much to not enough at this point. Ray, with 2 periods in the books, what are your thoughts on the game to this point?
Carolina's been a step slow almost all game. They haven't had the puck very much. They're losing. If that's going to change, they've got to get the puck and hold on to it much more.
And a great save! Scooped up along the wall by Aho. Carries the puck through the neutral zone. Quick shot!
Whoa!
He scores! Off the crossbar and in!
This is how you create the offense. I mean, you can't be digging the puck out of your skates all day. Tape to tape, off you go. They can't recover defensively, and it ends up in the net.
His pass was right on target and helped set up that goal there. That's his tape-to-tape superstar ability, and it was a pass that was not only accurate, but easy to handle.
The Devils take possession in the defensive end. They go on the attack through center. New Jersey's got the puck against the boards. Quick pass to Graves. That goes off a twig. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck against the wall. Broken up by Hischier. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a shot, and that's blocked. Carolina's got a hold of it along the wall. And he regains control of the puck. The Devils have it from their own end. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here we go, one-man rush. Here's a chance. Oh, and it stays out. I think he made a toe save on that one. Along the half wall with the puck. And that banks off a stick. Oh, and that stays out with the toe save.
The shooter's in position here. This is a pretty good scoring chance. Slings the wrist shot, but the goalie's sharper and turns it away.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. And we've got a 4-1 hockey game. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, stick save and a beaut. Official signals for the players to get into position, and we're about ready to drop the puck. Hughes has won the faceoff. Lets one go. There it is, they score! Johnny on the spot, he tucks in the rebound.
Let's look at this face-off play here on the replay, James. They're set, hoping they can win the draw, and when they do, the wheels are in motion that leads to this goal.
The Devils have been all over them tonight, and it continues here in this third.
They haven't taken their foot off the accelerator for 1 second tonight. I've been really impressed how they've dominated this game.
Lets it fly. Scores! Right on the doorstep. He pounces on the rebound and puts it home.
Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Carolina's going to make a change in goal.
I'm not so sure the guy coming into the game is going to feel so excited. Their team has just been destroyed tonight.
New Jersey's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Moves it to Hughes. Carolina's gained possession along the boards. They go on the attack from the left side. The Devils get a hold of the puck in their own end. Takes the feed. Oh, he comes up with a stop as he got the glove on it. Here they come on the attack. Centering pass. Gets a piece of it with the glove.
They work the puck into a scoring spot, get a pretty good chance on goal. They just can't find a way to finish it off. Anderson's a little bit fortunate there. He makes a terrific stop, but he just gets a piece of it to keep it out of the net.
Center's gliding up to the face-off dots here. New Jersey's won the face-off. He scores!
They get one, and you think that the game's going to flatten out, but it doesn't. They pile two more after that. Well, he was brought into the game here to provide some relief in goal. No relief provided there. He gets beat.
The Devils are on absolute cruise control here in the third.
Well, they've built such a large margin, you can use your whole bench and coast it in.
Puck scooped up by Gostisbehere. Stastny's got it in the offensive zone. Oh, and he just gets a piece of it. Great extension on the play. Across the line from center. Takes a shot. Nice pad save. Taken along the wall by Wood. And that's picked off in the defensive end. The Hurricanes carry it along the wall. Poked away from danger. Moves it quickly over to Holla. Cuts to the paint. Denies him in front. And they get the puck out of the danger zone. The Hurricanes take over on possession. Working the puck deep inside their own end. Carolina's on the attack. Handles the puck. Holla's got it on the offensive end. Shot! Shuts him down! Glides along the blue line. Big time stop with the glove! Anderson's gonna slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you gotta kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized. Sometimes you pick up a little extra in the replay here, and as you look at this, the goalie is so sharp to make this save. That's an excellent shot that is taken, and the goalie turns it away.
swoops in off the wing to grab the puck after the centerman tied him up. The Hurricanes moving ahead. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. And there's a great save by Vanacek.
Vanacek's taken away all of the rebound possibilities by putting that puck in the corner.
Here's a chance. Big save just as time runs out. And that's all she wrote on this one as we are in the books. Ray, you look at the numbers, and in this case, the numbers don't lie. The better team won this one.
This is one easily you can marry your eye test to the numbers test and say, yeah, they both work. That team deserves to win.
So the analytics crew and the hockey crew could actually see eye to eye on this one.
They could actually get along.
And that'll do it from ringside, everyone. For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Get home safely. Thanks so much for joining us.